So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to invest in crypto on the KOHO Financial application. So once the app's opened up in the bottom left here, you're on the home page. Sort of in the top right, it says invest. So it says credit, borrow, save, invest, etc. Make sure that invest is selected right here, and it's going to bring you to the KOHO Crypto page. So if you wanted to invest into crypto or buy crypto, I guess, through the KOHO application, it's going to basically offer this to you if you sign up. So where it says explore crypto, go ahead and select that. Once you're on this page, you can go ahead and see the top crypto assets that are available for you to invest in. So if you want to see all of the options here, sort of in the middle where it says see all in purple, press that. Then once you're on this page right here, you're able to see the different cryptocurrencies that KOHO is offering for you to invest into. So you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, USDC, Solana, Dogecoin, Cardano, Stellar, Chainlink, Hedera, Litecoin, Avalanche, SUI, Near, Polkadot, Uniswap, Arbitrum, Aave, Psi, Polygon, etc. So for example, if you wanted to do Bitcoin, you go ahead and select Bitcoin. Then you can press buy. You of course have to sign up for, I guess you have to proceed with the trading account here through KOHO, but you can go ahead and view all these cryptocurrencies here. And if you wanted to buy Ethereum, you can press Ethereum and basically proceed this way with it. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to invest in cryptocurrency on the KOHO Financial application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.